away. Yan, tapos lapat ng buo. There, your knees as wide as your hips. Huwag ito close. Open lang on that. Then hands on your foot bar. Remember, no tension on your wrist and shoulders. No tension on your wrist and shoulders. Back straight lang tayo. Keep your neck long. Atras ng konti. Then back straight. You're gonna lift your knees up 2 inches away from the bed without pushing the carriage away and shifting your body weight forward. Baba muna, atras. Baba muna mag-joy, atras ng puwet ng konti. Ikaw din mag-PC, stop. There. That's your position. Do not shift your body weight forward. Wala nang gagalaw from there. Lift your knees up. There. Inhale to lower. Very good. Maintain lang. Exhale, go for 2. Up. Inhale to lower. You're shifting your body weight forward. Go for 3. Up. Inhale to lower. Very good, guys. Go for 4. Up. And lower. Last one. Go for 5. Hold your position there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower. Sit on your heels, go to your child's pose, relax and recover. Okay, for your next one, you're gonna push the carriage away. Wala mo ng arms, hindi mo na dapat gumalaw ang arms. You do not push with your arms, core and legs lang. Ready. Atras ng konti ng kwet ng Macy. There. Listen carefully. Sabay tayo mag-push, sabay tayo gagalaw. Inhale na. Exhale to lift your knees first. Inhale muna. Exhale, push the carriage with your legs only. Do not push with your arms. Inhale, bend your knees to return. Go for 2, push with your legs only. Inhale, return. Go for 3, push. Inhale, return. Go for 4, push. Inhale, return. Last one, go for 5. Hold your position there. 5. I want your shoulders, hips, knees in line with each other. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees. Lower down. Relax and recover. Last one. Last one. Arms na po yung magtutulak. The goal is your ears in line with your arms. Okay? Ang goal is ipantay si tenga kay arms. Nakuha? Pakita ko. Okay? Again.
Kaya pa yung video.